Hello and welcome to a special video on how to register on Elance. Now, elance.com is a special website where if you are looking to hire someone, for example, if you want someone to design a website for you or a script or a software, then elance.com is the best place to use. And this website is used for outsourcing. Okay, as you can see, I'm on the home page of elance.com, and this is one of the most popular websites where you can look for people to do some work for you, or if you're a web developer yourself, you can post your profile and have people bidding for you. Now, as you can see here, it says new jobs posted. So this is today's website. It's got just over 24,000 new jobs posted, and these are the earnings at the bottom, and these are the experts. Okay, now as you can see, there's a wide range of skills here which people are specializing in. So let me just go on to the register button. So what you need to first of all do is, if you're going to post your job, you need to click this link here, post your job. So I'm just going to click this link. So the first thing that you need to do is, if you don't have a Elance account, registering takes just over a couple of minutes. You just simply head over to I do not have an Elance account, enter your email and retype your email, and then you just click continue. Now, if you already got an account, you simply log in. So I'm just going to quickly log in. Okay, I've logged in, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just give you a quick example on how to post your job. So post your job, just click this link here. Once you've done that, it should take you to a screen which says describe what you need. Describe the job or the list of the skills you're looking for. It's easy and free. So let's just say we need basic website needed. Okay. Category, we can head over to web and programming, and we just on the job description, this is where you type in your job description. So we can say something like, hi, hello, I need a basic website to be developed in HTML. I would like several pages on the website. The website needs to be in CSS format, which is like the display of the website, and must have a backend system, i.e. database. The site is going to be about internet marketing, and it should have a function to post news. So this is a basic example of a quick job description. Okay, you probably want to add a bit more, but this is an example. Next, you go to desired skills. So what you need to do, you need to select the type of skills that you're looking for. MySQL, for example, different languages, Apache. You have to select up to 5, so DHTML, PHP, and let's do SEO. Okay, and next you need to select the job type. It's either a project or a position. So I just leave this as a project, which says request proposals for project-based work with specific milestones and deliveries. Next, you select your budget. If I have a basic budget, I select between $50 and $500, and that's a fixed fee. And I usually prefer job location, no preference, but you can select your preferred location. For example, if you just want to target people in the US area, you can select that by heading over to this and just selecting the country, desired country. But I'll just leave no preference because there'll always be someone out there who's cheaper. Next, it says I agree to pay my service provider through Elance. So once you've submitted your job description, your fund, then you have to agree if you're going to be using escrow. And then you just simply click continue, and that's all there is. And you just simply click continue, and then you just choose your posting type, standard or free. I'll just click standard, but there's also an option for you to select a different one. Okay, so at the bottom you just simply click continue, and I'm not going to post this because this will probably go live. You read through your job description and you just click confirm and post, and your listing should go live. And that's all you need to do. Okay, thank you for watching this short video.